Follow these steps to shine an Apple ID on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. At the very top, you're gonna find this pop-up Shine into your iPhone. Click on it. Now go ahead and type in the email or phone number. After you type in that, now you'll need to type in the password. In case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option Forget Password to recover it. Once you type in your password, you will be directed to next page. Now you will need to confirm your phone number, so go ahead and type in your phone number over here, then click on Continue. You will be receiving verification code in your phone number. Type in that code over here. Now you will be prompted to enter your phone's passcode. After you type in that, you will be logged into your Apple ID. Select whether you want to merge your contacts in Safari data. Then you'll be logged into your Apple ID. So this is how you can easily shine an Apple ID on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.